You guys, so the next stock that we're breaking down is Bitcoin, or a cryptocurrency, BTC. I have my lines and graphs already set. We're starting from a higher time frame, that being the daily interval. So we're going to start with our support and resistance lines, and then we'll get more into where we're at currently. So we're up nearly 5% for the morning, you guys. So that's pretty good. All right, so let's go with our support and resistance lines. So up here at the $59,934 area, this is our highest level of resistance tested. And you can see that we came up into this area, got rejected once, 2, 3, 4. We broke above it. It worked as a support for a minute. You can see that we came up, bounced over here, came back underneath, came back in this area once and twice, and rejected, ultimately pushing us all the way down to our lower level of support. But you guys can see how many times this was tested. You want to test these areas at least 3 or 4 times to be considered a heavily tested area or a major or minor support area, okay? So down here where we got pushed down to was the $29,000 area. You can see this is also an area we tend to bounce from as well. You can see back here this candlestick wick hitting this area, bouncing and creating this upward trend. You can see back here we bounced and over here, and currently in the most recent area, so about 4 times we've bounced in this area as well. So these are heavily tested areas, you guys. You have to respect these lines. All right, so this one just represents a minor resistance, and this is at the $40,000 area. You look left, we had resistance back here, and back here. So already this has been tested 3 times. So you can see that we had this huge momentum. This was a little bit overextended right up into this resistance area. So I don't doubt that we did pull back, or we so basically what we're seeing right now is nothing really crazy. You know, I already kind of figured that we would hit this resistance and kind of pull back just a little bit, and then what we're looking for, you guys, is for this to come back up into this minor resistance area and retest this and hopefully create a breakout from here. Once we create that breakout, we can come up and come back down and retest it as a floor. Then this could be the best entry as of right now if you're not already in. But as of right now, I don't really see an issue with getting in, but you have to keep in mind that we may have a 50% retracement, maybe back down to the $34,000 area, since we did overextend up into here. So usually when you have a huge extended move like this or an upward trend, you usually have a slight pullback. In our case, we want it to be at least 50% retracement. Anything more than a 50% retracement would show relative weakness in the stock itself or this crypto. So if we do pull back, we don't want it to really go anywhere under 34,000. Okay, so if we do pull back down to that 34,000 area, that could be a good buying opportunity as well. If we start getting down to the $28,000 area, then that's when we have to be very precautious and on the decisions that we make. Anywhere below the major support line, like I said, below the 28,000, I would get out and wait for a better entry. But anywhere as of right now would be, you know, a good ideal buying entry. But if you want the best bang for your buck, obviously you want the best entries, that being, you know, around the 35,000 or 34,000, or you could wait for us to retest back up here at this resistance level and wait for that breakout that we want to see and come back down and retest it. So as of right now, you guys, like I said, I don't really see an issue with getting in. This is about personal preference on the entry that you want. So other than that, you guys, I do believe that we will start recovering here. We are above the trend line itself, and buyers are stepping up. So this is all good signs. And then obviously all the fundamentals that come along with it are all good as well as of right now. So other than that, if this video helped in any type of way, please hit that like and subscribe button. It allows me to create this content for you guys Monday through Friday. But other than that, I hope you guys have a beautiful day and happy trading.